bringing you the news and information you need from the people making a difference. This is Comcast Newsmakers.
Hi everyone, I'm Alexis Cairo. Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. Our guest today is Tara Toohey, who is with the Governor's Office of Economic Development. Specifically, she is the manager of the Utah Broadband Project. Welcome, nice to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
The Utah Broadband Project, I think that must be something to do with technology.
You are exactly right.
See, I figured I'd know something about it. But seriously, Tara, tell me a little bit about the project.
So the notion of broadband is high-speed internet access. And, you know, people who live on the Wasatch Front might not think it's an issue because most people on the Wasatch Front have a choice of many different providers, many different types of technologies. But in other parts of the state, especially in rural areas, you know, it might be more of an issue for people to have high-speed internet access. So the Governor's Office of Economic Development has formed the Utah Broadband Project, which I manage, and we're focused on developing a map of high-speed internet access throughout the state and developing a plan to get access to everybody.
When you talk about this map, tell me a little bit more about that. What might that look like if I'm looking at your map?
Sure. So we have been working on the project for about 2 years, and that has entailed a lot of work with broadband providers, private providers who provide residential service. And what we've been able to do is collect data from providers about where service is available and obviously where it isn't. Right. And we have built an interactive map, and you can go to our website, broadband.utah.gov, and you can type in your address and see all the providers available at your address and a list of their speeds and technologies so you can see what options are available for you. You can also search by county, by city, by area, so it's a really cool tool, we think.
And why is this something that the state of Utah is interested in?
So it's interesting to the state because high-speed internet access isn't really a luxury. We might have thought of it in the past as something that's nice to have, but it's really not a luxury anymore. It's really a necessity. And especially when you're focused on economic development, you really need to have access to everybody in the state. And it's important, you know, most jobs are only posted online now. If you don't have access to that, you don't know how to use the internet or you don't have access to a computer, you know, you're really being left behind. And so we're sort of seeing a trend in the United States called the digital divide, and it's, you know, the difference between the haves and the have-nots in terms of technology. And so we're trying to face that head on.
And so would it be that there may be an area in the state where they may not have high-speed internet, and that might be a real disadvantage if a business wants to locate there? Is that kind of the thinking?
Exactly, and that's why the project is based in the Governor's Office of Economic Development, because we do work with businesses who want to expand or relocate in the state, and this is a big issue for them. But what we've found, interestingly, especially in rural areas, is we are highly served by high-speed internet access. So we have found in more cases than not, a business who is looking to locate in a rural area is able to get the same access to technologies as urban areas in the state, which has been interesting because it's not too common in the United States, but we do have that here in Utah. Okay,
so that is something that is different in Utah maybe than most other states, is the access is actually better. Is there a particular area that you're focused on?
Not necessarily. Utah's really interesting because 90% of our population is centered on the Wasatch Front in a very small geographic area. So we're looking at 10% of the population and, you know, almost 80 to 90% of the state. And so we're really trying to find that balance between addressing urban issues and addressing different rural issues. It's just two different prospects that we're looking into.
We just have about 30 seconds left, but is there an education component to it too, as far as schools?
Well, you know, we're working on it. We work closely with the Utah Education Network, who provides the high-speed connection to schools, and they have just done a great job in being anchor institutions, you know, in those rural areas. So.
Great, thanks, Tara.
Yes.
Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Interesting project.
Thank you.
Our guest today has been Tara Toohey, who is working on the Utah Broadband Project. This is Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Alexis Cairo.